I knew from the very start I'd die from a broken heart, unless you said that you loved me. And the first time I saw your face, my life fell into place. I guess I'm no poet with words, but I can honestly say I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is lying out on the floor, I'd still go to war for you and bleed crimson. These vows, these promises, I don't say in jest, and I hope you know this. I'm not always so brave, but where there's a will, there's a way. I'll always be there by your side, and I can honestly say I will bleed crimson for no reason if you ask me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is tired and down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson. If you asked, I'd give my last breath. I would do anything for you. Are the one my heart beats for. I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my tired body is dying down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson like no one before. For you I'll bleed crimson.
This dance is called Crimson, choreographed by Alison and Peter Metelnick. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling count line dance. That's why we start in the stance. Section 1, starting with right foot, side, behind, side, cross, side, back rock, recover, quarter left, forward, facing 9, quarter to your left to 6 o'clock, big step, side, back rock, recover, side, back rock, recover, forward, pivot half turn to your left. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. Section 2, forward, round forward, left, right, left, forward rock, recover, angle body to right diagonal, 1 o'clock, back, cross, back, quarter left, hook your left, facing 11, quarter left, forward, both step, facing 7, quarter left, forward, facing 5, half turn left, back, hook your left, facing 11, round forward, left, right, left. Section 3, forward rock, recover, quarter to your right, side, facing 1, forward rock, recover, quarter left, forward, quarter left, together, quarter left, forward, facing 5, 4 rock, recover, quarter to your right, side, facing 7, 4 rock, recover, 1/8 to your left, side, cross, square up to 6. Last section, side, back rock, recover, half turn left, stepping back, facing 12, back rock, recover, half turn right, stepping back, facing 6, back, sweep your left, back, sweep your right, back, sweep your left, behind, side, cross. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and In this dance, there's a restart on wall 5. You will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Now face the front wall, 8 and This is the end of 16 and counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.